The RenovaRP automatic paracentesis pump will instantly save you and your patients valuable time by safely, quickly, and effectively draining ascitic fluid. Traditional paracentesis, relying on glass bottles and gravity-fed waste bags, can be time-consuming. Using the automated RenovaRP pump, your patient is treated quickly and effectively, often in less than 30 minutes per session, without the need for less-than-safe glass bottles. The GI Supply Paracentesis Kit has everything you need to perform paracentesis with the RenovaRP pump. Highlights include 2 disposable heavy-duty drainage bags holding up to 1.6 liters of fluid each, allowing for continuous pumping, which decreases procedure time. A pre-assembled tubing set quickly and easily connects to the patient and the pump. GI Supply's custom-designed stainless steel multi-hole cannula improves fluid flow and helps prevent the cannula from being clogged against tissue. The cannula is metal, preventing kinking or shaving off part of the sheath like plastic catheters. Setup of the RenovaRP pump is fast and easy. The pre-assembled tubing fits across the pump head between the rollers and the track. The T-shaped stopcock assembly fits into the recessed area of the pump handle, allowing you to control fluid flow. The tubing connects to the drainage bags, and the other end of the tubing connects to the cannula. The RenovaRP pump has an adjustable pump rate, and because the flow rate is faster than traditional paracentesis, procedure times are much shorter. Safe, simple, effective.